Blessed be YHUH, O my being. Bless the one who breathes life into the dust and calls us his. Your name, O YHUH, has rested upon me, quiet as dew upon morning grass, faithful as the covenant of my avot, Abraham, Yitzhak, and Yaakov. By their name and by your mercy, I have been fed wisdom all my chayim. And when I wandered far from your chokhmah, when my ears were dull and my heart was clouded, you, YHUH, restored me to Teshuvah, set me free and redeemed me from all evil. You are the one who sat beside those who, after obeying your voice, saying, Repent, Teshuvah with all your heart, with fasting, weeping and mourning, and you blessed them as the salt of the earth. You taught me to be poor in Ruach, to be comforted in you, to hunger and thirst for tzedakah, to give rachamim, to walk with a pure heart, and to be a shalom maker in the world. I have great simcha in you, for you reminded me that I am Yisrael. Your people you have increased amid the earth like fish, for your great name's sake. And now, Abba, what shall I render to you, my Redeemer and my King? What is tov? What is acceptable in your sight? Please deal with us according to the measure of our emunah and your boundless rachamim. For we were once cast out from your presence, but now we are heeding your call to present ourselves upon your altar as a sweet-smelling fragrance, a living sacrifice, kadosh, perfect, and acceptable in your sight. For the place of your kisei, where you dwell, and the sole of your feet, where you walk among men, shall no longer be defiled. Your kadosh name shall no longer be dishonored by our former ways. So wash us as YHUH counsels, cover the shame of our nakedness, anoint our eyes with salve that we might see your light. Open our ears to receive every instruction you speak over our lives. And when you have completed your cleansing of our iniquities, open our heart to submit fully to your kadosh will, as it is written, bind us like Yitzhak upon the altar, ready to be purified by the fire of your Ruach. Pour oil over us as Shemuel poured upon David, for you are our Kohen, our Master, placing frankincense upon us, casting salt over us, and lifting us as a well-seasoned remembrance offering to YHUH. And now we lie down at your feet. Please accept us, Master, as your servant. Show us the path of life. Take us into your arms. For nothing under the Shamayim is more precious, more desired, or more worth living for than you alone. As you promised, never again will we hunger, for you are our bread of life. Never again will we thirst, for you are our shepherd, leading us to live in Mayim. Never again will we mourn, for you are with us, wiping every tear from our eyes. As you soar at Sinai, never again will we be a Gentile, for we are to you a part of your Malchut HaKohanim and your Kadosh nation. Never again will we be a proverb or reproach, for we are your segula, your peculiar treasure. Yes, teach me, O Abba, to obey your voice and shomer your covenant forever. Teach me to be just and fair to all people, to let my halakha follow your halachot, to season my speech with salt, to answer gently, to speak with grace, to walk humbly, to receive YHUH as my Mashiach, Engrave your Torah upon my heart. Let me hear every word and do them. Let your Ruach, the breath of YHUH, be the one who speaks in me, through me, over me, all the days of my life. In Yahushua HaMashiach, Selah.